you see the Goethals Bridge right there to Staten Island. There it is, there it is. Whoop, 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 whoop. You got the big barge over there. Over that way you got Manhattan. You can see the Freedom Tower from here. The weather is amazing. It feels so refreshing here by the water. So it's definitely super cool over here. All right. Yeah. What? What?
Are you streaming for real?
Yeah.
Hey yo. Follow me on the gram.
Okay. It's often people want to get in the live stream to promote their stuff. It's okay. I'm okay with that. Okay, so yeah, this is Elizabeth here. YouTube. I'm on YouTube. Okay, hold on one second. I gotta give them a card. So yeah, you see this is Veterans Memorial Waterfront Park. It says right there. So that's where we're at today. A lot of cool boats over here. As you can see, many boats over there. There's an airplane very close. Newark Airport is right around the corner here, basically.
You look too heavy.
Right, so yeah, to get the road blocked off here, that's where the festival starts, over this way. Let's walk on the street part, down the street. You got the park part, you know, the park festival here, but it's also on the street. Swiss kebab. It smells great here. The food smells awesome. It smells awesome right now. New Jersey. Good times, good times. A lot of fun today. A lot of fun. Elizabeth, New Jersey. Let's go, let's go. All right, all right, all right. All right, good times here today in Elizabeth, New Jersey, for the Puerto Rican Festival here at the Waterfront. So yeah, first time here, great weather, so we definitely had cooperating temperatures, around 80 degrees, low humidity, better than what we had yesterday. It was like really bad. We had thunderstorms, we had Canadian wildfires going on. Yeah, 81 degrees right now. Let's do a quick time check. So it's 5:53 p.m. So yeah, a lot of videos here today. So be on the lookout for videos from here, from Elizabeth, New Jersey, Puerto Rican Festival. Thanks for tuning in. God bless.